Hello everybody, this is Erik for our Productions, episode 16 of the Planespotting series. As you can see, it looks pretty stormy to the north. Looking at the south, doesn't look so bad. To the west, it looks sunny, not too bad. Well anyways, let's take a look at the stormy north, not north. And also to the east, northeast. So starting east to south, starts to look better, and west definitely looks great. You may hear the noise of planes going by, but they may not be seen due to them being high up in the clouds. There is a plane up there, but it's going into the clouds, so you can't really see it at all. You can hear it, but not see it. And now thinking about it, the east is starting to turn stormy also. In that direction, I don't know if you can see it, but there's white debris in the air. It looks like it's moving in a twister motion. Oh yeah. Let me try to get a view of it. Doesn't look like you can see it, but I could.
Is it supposed to rain today?
Ooh. I just missed the plane right there. But if you could see that white debris, I hope that's not a twister coming this way. Actually, I don't even know if it's white debris. It might just be like a flock of birds flying in a circular motion or something. If you can see that. From what I'm seeing, but you may not be seeing, there are two little white objects in the air floating. They seem to be going apart. Dang zoom rates. And the plane came after all. The clouds finally cleared up. We can now see one plane at least. And there it goes into the clouds. Yep, there it goes. That will end this episode. I would like to make two shoutouts to, well, three shoutouts. First to Smoky and Trossome. Second to 20 Productions by Elephant78H35. And third to NBVideos Presents. So I hope you like the shoutouts. You guys are great people, and I hope you enjoy your career. So, alright, see you next episode.